Good evening from London. The Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee once again voted unanimously to keep interest rates at the historic low of 0.1%. The group voted 7-1 to make no changes to its quantitative easing programme. Following 2 consecutive months of above forecast readings, the central bank raised its inflation forecasts in the near term, saying it will temporarily reach 4% by the end of the year. Sterling edged 0.25% higher against the dollar following the announcement. Indonesia's economy grew for the first time in 5 quarters between April and June, recording its strongest expansion in over a decade. According to data released by the country's statistics agency, the economy grew 7.07% year on year. Southeast Asia's biggest economy shrank 2.1% last year, the first contraction since 1998, as the pandemic hit consumption and investment. Economists have cited surge in exports, rising car, motorcycle and cement sales as the reason for the rebound. Germany's Lufthansa has halved losses in the second quarter, thanks to pent-up demand for travel and an easing of restrictions. Europe's largest airline group posted a net loss of €765 million between April and June, compared with €1.493 billion worth of losses reported during the same period last year, when travel was halted by COVID-19. Lufthansa, which also includes Australian, Swiss and Brussels Airlines, say they expect to operate at 40% of pre-crisis capacity this year, leaving its projection unchanged. The group was saved from bankruptcy last June by a German government bailout. Embattled aero engine maker Rolls-Royce has posted strong bottom-line profits of £393 million for the first 6 months of the year. Bosses say the return to growth was helped by cost savings achieved through restructuring and a £280 million tax credit payment. Revenue fell to £5.15 billion from £5.67 billion a year earlier. Analysts had expected the group to largely remain in the red during the period. Shares were up 1.9% following the announcement. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.